So here we have two functions. In order to state the domain and range and sketch the graph, the first thing you're going to do is create the explicit equation for each one. So what does y equals f of g of x look like? Well, that's f of, since g of x is 4 minus x squared, that's f of 4 minus x squared. And the function f says, whatever you put into f, what do we do to it? We just add 1. So if I put in 4 minus x squared, what am I going to get? I'm just going to get 4 minus x squared plus 1, because that's what the function f does. And if we simplify that, we get negative x squared plus 5. What kind of graph is that? It's a parabola using your transformations. This is a nice unit to end because we get to review our very first unit. What do we do with that parabola? What happens to it? Flip down and then up 5. What's the domain? Everything. What's the range? Y is less than or equal to 5. Oh, it asked for the domain and range of each original one, so I'll just do that here. Domain of this would be everything. Range of this is everything. This is a parabola, so its domain is everything. And this parabola is a parabola that's flipped down and then shifted up 4. So its range is y is, less than or equal to 4. When you have something like 4 minus x squared, sometimes students like, I don't know how to graph that. But can you see that that's the same as negative x squared plus 4? And all of a sudden like, oh, I know how to graph that. So sometimes just changing how something looks might help you. So if you get something on an exam that seems like it's in a different order than you're used to, switch it around, and that might help you. So for part B, we're finding f of x. So f of x is equal to x plus 1. And the function f, whatever you put in, you just plus 1 to it. So if you put in x plus 1, we add 1 to that, and you get x plus 2. What kind of graph is that? It's a straight line. Domain is everything. And range is everything. Question number 4.